It is that time again. Pete, Nigerian, unusual activity.
Yeah, we're going to start off with a familiar name to all of us, NVIDIA. And this one's pretty interesting, Scott. Stock was trading about 223.50. And suddenly we saw this giant call buyer come in, 31,000 of the 225 calls. Here's the problem, or maybe not. These expire tomorrow, so this is extremely short term. But 31,000 of those calls, they started at 45 cents. They went up to a little over $1 buying these calls. Stock was exactly where it is right now. So that one definitely stood out. Big trade with just 2 days to perform, today and tomorrow, maybe a day and a half. The next one is IGT. We've had this one before. As a matter of fact, I think I talked about it early September. It's already made a pretty nice move to the upside. At that time, they were buying the November 23 calls. Now they're rolling out of those. In other words, they're selling that position, taking profits, but they still want to be in the trade, Scott. So they bought 20,000 of the November 26 calls. They're spreading those off. They're selling an upside call against it, but pretty aggressive moves looking for this stock to continue to make a move to the upside. Stock was trading about 24.60 at the time of that trade.
I'm looking at NVIDIA right now. It's like 85 cents away from the money.
Yep. It's an animal.
yeah, it is. Nike, after the bell, you see anything ahead of that?
It's pretty interesting, Scott, because, yeah, we are seeing a little something. Now, first of all, the implied volatility, we all know the catalyst earnings. So we're looking at a much higher implied volatility for these options, but obviously these expire tomorrow as well. And people are coming right after those options. They're looking for about a $9 move. We saw a very strong activity at the 160 call. Stock was trading a little higher than it is right now. They were buying the 160 calls, a couple thousand of those, spreading them off, selling the upside to make it a little less expensive of a trade. But that fits right into that sort of $9 area. So potentially we could see something happening there. And obviously, we all know what Nike's done. It was 174. It pulled back. And so who knows? It could potentially have some nice upside.
Yeah, we'll follow it for sure.